Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with Tom Ford. I had picked up the Tom Ford eye and lip set at the Nordstrom sale. That is the one that includes the pretty quad in Coquette. It also includes the extreme mascara, the eye defining pen, as well as the Impassioned Lipstick. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this look using these Tom Ford products, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we are going to play with a little Tom Ford, and this is the Nordstrom eye and lip set that I picked up from the sale, and the quad is Coquette. So here is this beautiful quad, and again, this is in the original formula. It is not the wet dry formula, and I tend to be in the minority of people who love this formula better, but I tend to like these on my more mature eyes. Still like the wet dry formula, but this just looked like a quad that I would get a lot of wear out, kind of as an everyday eye look. So here is a swatch, and as I mentioned the other day, don't exactly judge this quad from this swatch because it looks super pretty on the eyes, but when I'm swatching it, it doesn't give it justice. So let's go ahead and put this on my eyes. So far, what I have done is I put on complexion, I've bronzed up a little bit, put on a little blush, and I thought we would focus on eyes. We're going to be using the entire set, so it comes with the Coquette Eye Quad, the Extreme Mascara. It comes with a little baby lipstick in Impassioned and the eye defining pen, and I'm going to give this a go today, but just know that I am horrible with liquid eyeliner. That's not my look, but we're going to try it because out of all liquid eyeliners, I do have to say this is really easy to use. So I'm going to use that today as well. So what I'm going to start with is I am going to take this beautiful kind of shell color and I'm going to place that all over my lids. So I'm just dipping right into this shell color here, and we're going to place that all over the lid. Kind of pretty soft shell color. Then I'm going in with this really pretty soft taupey shade right here. It looks really pretty on the eyes, so just these two shades alone create a really nice everyday eye look. And I'm going to close my eyes. This is just a soft wash of those two colors, and this could be somebody's everyday eye look. Put on a little eyeliner and you're ready to go, but I want to deepen the crease using this color, and I'm going to come in here. I'm going to work on the outer V up into the crease. So I'm starting over here, placing some of this color and bringing it on up into that crease. This is just such a pretty kind of soft everyday eye look. I'm going to come down into that deeper tone here, and I'm going to run a little bit of that color underneath the lash line. Okay, so I've just kind of done a soft wash of colors, and then I took this deeper shade and I smudged it on the lash line to define your eyes in case you are not someone who wears mascara. And I'm going to go ahead and put the topper on because this totally transforms the look. This is such a pretty little reflection on the eye. And I just like to do a little bit from that inner corner up here, and I'll blend it in, but it just makes your eyes completely pop. Just totally takes this eye look from everyday to a little bit of added glam and just a little bit of reflection on your eyes. We are going to use the eye defining pen, and quick little heads up, I'm horrible with liquid eyeliner. Don't look great with a wing. So I'm just going to use this liquid eyeliner to go as close to the lash line and just give myself a little bit more definition on the top. So please be kind. This is not part of the tutorial. Okay, we may have had a little bit of a mishap using the liquid eyeliner. You guys, it is my fault. This is a fabulous product. My daughter loves it. I just do not have a handle on that, but I thought I'd give it a try. So I did have to use a little bit of Bioderma as well as a little Q-tip, kind of even out the attempt at liquid eyeliner. And then I did go in with my Victoria Beckham, is the Satin Kajal eye pencil in Ash. I just kind of put a little bit of liner on top to sort of fix everything. But it does not take away from the beauty of this quad. So it just creates a really pretty eye. And if you skipped the eyeliner itself, I think it would make a great everyday eye. If you are a master at doing the wing or the liquid eyeliner, I think you will love the look with this as well. I think I love this one because you definitely can glam up your eye look, but you also can wear it as an everyday eye. So here's what the eye looks like without mascara. And clearly, I think all eye looks look better once we put on mascara. And so many of you have told me that the Extreme Mascara from Tom Ford is amazing, and I thought I would use that today. So first of all, it has a very large kind of brush, and I'm just going to get some product on there. And I'm going to come to the base of my lashes and curl them, and then start to coat them. Okay, we've got that Extreme Mascara on. So far I am loving the quad. I'm loving the mascara. And then let's go ahead and finish off with the lip. And this one is in Impassioned. And I absolutely love this color. This is the color right here. It's sort of a red brick color. I'm first going to dab it on my lips and just kind of blot it in so you can see it as a lighter lip, and then I will do a full coat so you can see it a little bit more opaque as well. So here is this lip color just lightly dabbed on the lips, just like a little bit of a blotted look. And I just love this color so much. And now we're going to play it up just a bit more because I even like it fully opaque. And then here is Impassioned with a full application, more opaque on the lips. And I am in love with this lip color. Looks fantastic, just dabbed on the lips, but then if you want to glam it up a little bit more or have more of a bold lip and a cleaner eye, I think that would look fantastic as well. So overall, I'm super glad I purchased that eye and lip set at the Nordstrom sale for $169. I feel like it was a good value, especially if you are someone who loves the eye defining pen. I think this is a great set. So fantastic everyday eye quad in a color story that you can wear every day as well as glam it up. And I'm really enjoying this mascara as well. I definitely feel like it gave me longer lashes, a little bit more defined. And I've also heard that this is smudge proof and fantastic from many of you guys who love this mascara. You're like, it's the only one you use because it doesn't smudge on you or flake. So definitely excited to be using this a little bit more. And then surprisingly, I am in love with this lip color. I just think it's going to be gorgeous on many skin tones. And I love the fact that I can kind of dab it on for a softer kind of look on the lips as well as glam it up. So just wanted to pop on, do a little tutorial. I apologize again for not being able to really do a great job on the liquid eyeliner. I'm just someone who's not great at liquid eyeliners. Give it the good old college try here. I can still practice and learn more. So you guys, I hope this little tutorial was helpful. Let me know if you are going to pick that up at the Nordstrom sale. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.